welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make bhel, but not the normal kind. We are going to make Maggi bhel. You like Maggi, you like bhel, let's combine it and give ourselves a treat. So let's begin our process. So for this recipe guys, I'm going to take 1 packet of the Maggi masala and I'm going to start crushing it while the Maggi is inside the packet itself. This is such a hassle-free process. Trust me guys, this is the perfect way to crush the Maggi noodles while it is in the packet itself. And now let's just remove the noodles out in a plate. And let's remove that masala sachet, and it's time for us to start roasting it. So I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of oil, and once the oil is hot, I'm going to add our crushed Maggi noodles, and we are going to stir fry them for the next 1 to 2 minutes or until the Maggi noodles tend to change a little color. Not much, just a little. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. After 2 minutes, our Maggi noodles are nicely roasted and there's a slight change in color. So now it's time for us to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, which is dry mango powder, in with the Maggi noodles. And now let's mix everything in. And due to the presence of the oil which we had added initially, these masalas are going to stick to the Maggi noodles and make them even more flavorful. And once the Maggi noodles are nicely mixed, let's turn off the flame and remove them in a bowl. Now guys, I'm going to take 1 big mixing bowl and I'm going to add that 1 sachet of the masala which comes in the Maggi packet into that bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, and mix it well together. Once mixed, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of roasted and salted peanuts, which is moongfali, followed by 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cucumber, kakdi, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped boiled potatoes, 1 finely sliced green chili, some dhania, which is cilantro, and I'm going to mix everything in. Now, if you want, you can add some lime juice, but because there is a lot of khatta presence of lime in the chaat masala and the amchur, you don't really need to add lime juice. So now let's just add the roasted Maggi noodles and mix everything in. My mouth is already watering, guys. Isn't it looking so delicious? It's going to be nice and crunchy. So guys, I transferred the Maggi bhel in a serving bowl and I absolutely cannot resist it. So I am digging in. Peanuts and the crunch from the Maggi. It's a little khatta meetha, and you know, the Maggi also has that flavor because we added the masala while roasting it. It's turned out really yum. Do try it. You saw how easy it is. Just takes 5 minutes. Make it. Do let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on these links because these are recipes which you don't want to miss. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.